Hello, campers. Welcome to another episode of whatever this episode is. It's camping food taste test. Yay! Today we're going back to Wicked Foods. We tried one of their chili mac and cheese something or others a while back, and it was high quality, but it was spicy and just not my thing, even though I love spicy. This time we've got Late Night Rice Noodles. Uh, Quick to make rice noodles with fragrant basil, soy, and smoky barbecue broth flavors. I think sometimes they just try to get too fancy. Uh, it smells good. I love rice noodles. My fun is my favorite Chinese dish if it's done right. I've had some yucky ones out here. Uh, Interestingly, Asian foods, there are more pure Asian out here on the left coast, but um, I prefer the East Coast versions. Likewise, you'll find different styles of Mexican food all across the country. And some Asian food back east was really, they used fake ingredients. I don't know if fake's the right word. They're just uh, approximating the ingredients, I think. But I loved in Panama City, there were several places that had incredible my fun. So these are rice noodles. It's got starch, sugar, onion, dried spring onion, blah blah blah. Spices, pepper, cayenne pepper, basil, salt, smoked paprika. And you can taste the smoke. This is a lot better in my eyes. So this, not suitable for microwave cooking. You pour in about 1 1/3 cup of boiling water. Stir, let it sit, stir. And you're good to go. So it's a lot like a dehydrated meal. Great. Oh, you okay, Baja? Great for camping. Um, kind of high in sodium, as you'd expect. Got some carbohydrates, which you'd expect, which is good for camping or hiking. The problem with hiking with it is this flimsy lid bouncing around. Hey, what are you doing? Bouncing around in the in your backpack, or in my case, in my saddlebags. Actually, I do carry things like this in my saddlebags when I'm camping on the bike. But you don't want the lid punctured or anything, or the thing crushed. Or yeah, I like this one. This would be good sitting out having for lunch. Heat up the water in your little Bunsen burner. Propane stove. Let it sit for about 5 minutes or so. So, Wicked Foods, they are high quality ingredients. Some of the stuff just ain't my thing. It might be your thing. If it's got curry, I'm not eating it, for example. I just don't like curry. If you like curry, they've got some good stuff. And one thing about spicy when you're camping, um, if you're, for example, backpacking and there's no facilities, you don't want something too spicy like the chili, mac and cheese, whatever it was, potato. You don't want something that's going to run through you. If you're in a campground and you don't mind using the facilities a lot, then spicy's okay, I guess. I prefer a blander diet when I'm at the campground, even though I do carry Crystal hot sauce in a little bottle. That's different. It's not hot, it's spicy. Especially if you've got some of the dehydrated biscuits and gravy from Mountain House. Put a little Crystal hot sauce on there. Anyway, that's what we've got today. Wicked Foods Late Night Rice Noodles. It's a thumbs up. So, remember, your mileage may vary. Your opinion may vary. Um, we all have different tastes. That's why there's more than one brand. Anyway, thanks for watching. Have a great day and a great apocalypse. And we'll see you next time